Malawi, Camera.
Different samples and about and detail. I do was a kuti kumachinga amaganda.
Tinadi mufusedu.
Mkhani zonse zimene zachitika ku Central Region palibe wamangidwa. Nkhani kachitika kundirande amatamanga, nkhani kachitika kumachinga amatamanga, koma kuli Longwe palibe wamangidwa. Ngati amanga munthu andiuze zimene ndikuyankhula about the evidence. Therefore, Madam Merin Yoram has failed Malawians and ni munthu amene salingalira za mbiri yake legacy. Ifeyo timamenya nkhondo kuti azimaya zikidwa pampando pamawa tisapanga kumvisi bwanji anthu kuti azakhale inspector general pamene tili ndi mayi amene akuyang'ana kumbali mwadala. Chifukwa chimenecho ndikupempha nyumba ino kuti resolution imene tipange tipeze committee imene yendese dziko lino kufikira pa chisankho cha pa 16 anthu
point of order
president akrisidwa ntchito ndapereka kale mboni apa session amene amafuna kuchitika pa 24 a president akumatengedwa kumalowesedwa muzinthu sakwene kuti azilowa benemo chifukwa chimenecho kuti tikhulupirire chisankho chichitika leba tintendere muno tikhazikise komiti imene tendere kufika pa 16 September zikomo kwambiri
tinabasani mwafusa fuso tisayambisenso disorder ina tisapangane disorder ina tiyakifuso film ya nsonkhano uno the dialogue respectfully ndeti lemekezane kuti tiyankhulane tigawirane nzeru kuti tipiziko lathu pili pasogolo ndeti yankhule ndithu mumanga dziko.
Thank you very much, moderator. Can we have some order? Can we have some order? Can we have some order? I know Mr. Mafuto Bamus has the microphone. I'll ask you to take a seat for a minute. Awa agulu, mwamba chibwana. It's so surprising. Kuti anthu agulu mufuna muzipanga za chibwana. Mr. Namiwa has a right to express his views, even when we don't agree with his views, or even when some of you don't agree with his views. And in this conference, we will give everyone an opportunity to express their views. Okay? Even when we don't agree with their views, but we must listen respectively until they have said what they wanted to say, or until the moderator has interjected in the interest of time. Number 3, mutilemegeze as moderators. I think what you did, Mr. Namiwa, was not very good. To answer back with a tinge of rudeness towards the moderator. Don't respond because that, okay, thank you. That was not good. Because when you take away the moderation and you give yourself rules you want to follow and not the conference rules, there will be chaos here. So let's follow the rules, respect the moderators. I have told you, and I want to say it again, as moderators, our role is not to gag. Our role is to facilitate you with a fair opportunity to express your views. But let's do so orderly, following the rules. But everyone will have an opportunity to express themselves. We're not going to gag you, but be within the regulatory framework that we have established, because there are two things that threaten the world. It's too much order and too much disorder. And that's why you have moderators. And that's why we are moderating, allowing you moments of light so you can have fun, and bringing you back to moments of seriousness so we can deal with the business. But if you want to push us to disorder, then I just want to tell you, we will issue an order to eject you out of the conference, and we will ask security to help us to out of the conference. but everyone will have a fair opportunity to express themselves. Don't worry, everyone will speak if you want to speak. Okay? Even when your view is unpopular, you will speak. Yeah? Even when some people think your view is stupid, yes, we will give everyone an equal opportunity to express their stupidity. We will do that here. Okay? So I just want to call for respect so that we have a civilized dialogue. Okay, my brother Karim Osman is moderating this session and we must follow his instructions. Mr. Mavuto has the microphone. You can get back to the floor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, moderator, for the guidance. My question goes straight to one of the points that was presented on the slides. And thanks to the Malawi police, because you indicate that you get into working relationships with other institutions. And one of those that you mentioned is the MDF, the Malawi Defense Force. Very important. Now, I wish to highlight also that a couple of studies have indicated that at certain points in time, there is loss of public trust on the Malawi police. So, for example, the Afrobarometer, when sometimes they ask people, they do indicate and list some public institutions where Malawians do not have much of the public trust. So, police consistently is listed. So that brings in the role of the MDF. A study by the University of London, the London School of Economics, recently presented shows that more Malawians are more inclined to trust the MDF than the Malawi police. Yet we know and we understand that the Malawi police is very important even to these processes of the elections. So my question is, what additional strategies has the Malawi police put in place to make sure that the public trust is not completely lost? Thank you.
Thank you. Your question has been taken. Who will be responded? Yes, and then there's somebody close to you. That will be third, and then we'll go to the next table.
Thank you so much.
But please, it's a question.
My name is Born
It's a comment. It has to be very short.
Yeah, I have two questions going to the IG. Number one, you have talked about firearms, unregistered firearms. To my own observation, I have observed with dismay that during this time, many Malawians are possessing unlicensed arms, firearms. What measures are you taking to stop this mess? Because I fear we'll have a blood elections. People are ready to kill others because of positions. You as Malawi police, what are you doing? In terms of engagements, I'm speaking English now because I want everyone to understand that I went to school as well.
Okay. Your next question?
But my next question, moderator, goes again to the IG. In terms of engagements, what have you achieved so far in terms of engagements? You have talked about political parties, youth directors. What have you achieved so far? Because immediately after you engaged them, there were chaos in Ponela, chaos in Mangochi, chaos in Lilongwe. What steps are you taking to stop the vice? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, moderator. I am Reverend Ngalande from CCP Blanda Synod. I just wanted to, up to Kalindo's question. I had the same feeling as the others had, that Malawi policy is being compromised. I'm beginning to believe that probably we are coming towards where the goodness may come in. So far, there are no go zone areas in Malawi for other political parties. What has police done this far in the engagement with Secretary General of political parties And if political party secretary generals may be given an opportunity to explain, what message would they wish to give Malawians if they are perpetrating violence in their followers? Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next table, there's a gentleman in blue, so we can now.
Malawi, Camera.